Hello and welcome to today's e-learning session, and I am Dr. Persis. Today we are going to discuss about searching algorithms. So what is the purpose of searching algorithm? Let us see. So why we have to search? What we have to search? Yes, we have to search data because data are very much needed for a program to manipulate on it, and we know that those data are stored in computer memory. In order to access the data, we have to retrieve the data from the memory. So in order to retrieve the data from the memory, we are in need of the location of the data. So to find the location, we are in need of some searching algorithms. In today's session, we are going to discuss about two searching algorithms. Number one is linear or sequential search algorithm, and number two is binary search algorithm. Linear search is a very simple search algorithm. It is also called as sequential search algorithm. Linear search is made over all items one by one. Every time it checked against the item to be searched. If a match is found, then the location of that particular item is retrieved. In the example, you could see an array of 10 elements. We are going to search for element 33 in that array. So 33 is checked against all the elements one by one in that array until a match is found. If no match is found, it returns that the element thus being searched is not in the array. Binary search looks for a particular item by comparing the middlemost item of the collection. If a match occurs, then the index of that item is returned. If the middle item is greater than the item to be searched, then the item is searched in the sub-array to the left of the middle item. Otherwise, search will be done on the right sub-array. This process continues on the sub-array until the size of the sub-array reduces to 0. Binary search works in an array which is sorted in ascending order. For example, we are going to search 23 in an array of 10 elements. To find the mid position, the formula is start index plus ending index divided by 2. Therefore, in this case, mid value is 5. So, 23 is checked against the value in the index 5, that is 16. Obviously, 23 is greater than 16. The search will be done in the sub-array right to the midpoint. Now, the start index is 6 and the ending index is 10. Therefore, the mid index is 8. So, 23 is checked against the value in the index 8, that is 56. Now 23 is less than 56. Therefore, the searching now will be in the left sub-array of the midpoint index 8. Now the updated midpoint is 6 plus 7 by 2, that is 6. So 23 is checked against the value in the index 6, that is 23. Now you got the result 23. So the index 6 is returned. Now you could see the comparison of linear search with binary search algorithm. In binary search, the searching is done in 3 steps, whereas the same will be done in 11 steps while using linear search. Therefore, binary search is faster than the linear search. I hope you enjoyed this session. Meet you again with more videos. Thank you.